me up and says, hey, let's go play some Power Keno this afternoon. It's like, jump in the car and let's go. And people always say, doesn't his girlfriend care? And I said, no, she actually kicks him out the door and says, go. Because, as we all know, Chad, you have to have a babysitter for him. It's usually cooler, but man, when I gotta do it, I don't really understand how Christy keeps up with him. I don't want to say what's up with him, but keeps up with him. And it takes an amazing person like Christy to understand how Chad works. And it takes, yeah.
It's a village.
The way that guy's mind works all the time, and not just trying to make everyone's life better around him, but always to figure out how to make Christy and his life better, is something that we can all look at and just go, that's what we all strive for. And what you guys have is amazing. We all really look forward to it, and we all really look forward to the journey you guys are going to have, because we all know we're going to be a part of it. And that's the biggest part of this group, is we all know that you're going to accept us no matter what we do. And hats off. Raise your glasses. These guys are amazing. Thank you.